Today we will demonstrate how to perform a basic volleyball hit, but before we use the volleyball, we need to learn the footwork. The foot you step forward with first depends on your dominant hand. If you are right-handed, like Sarah, you will step with your left foot first, and vice versa. Next, take a big step with your other foot, then bring both feet together and bend your knees in preparation for a jump. Let's repeat those actions slowly. First, step with whichever foot is opposite of your dominant hand. Take a big step with your other foot, bring both feet together and jump. Now Sarah will demonstrate the footwork at full speed. Now you know the footwork, let's work on the arm movements. Start with your arms down at your sides as you swing them both back behind you, and then swing them forward and upward while bending your elbow. Let's do that again. First swing both your arms back, then swing them forward, bend your elbows, track the ball with your non-dominant hand, and finally hit the ball with your dominant hand. Now Sarah will demonstrate the arm movements at full speed. Now that you learn the footwork and the arm movements, let's put it all together. When you step forward with your arms are at your sides, swing them back as you step forward with your other foot, bring your arms forward as you bring your feet together, track the ball, and hit it while jumping. Sarah will demonstrate this slowly. Sarah will demonstrate this at full speed. Now some real footage from a Clearview volleyball varsity game. Hope you enjoyed watching our how to perform a basic volleyball hit, and remember that the skill does take time to master.